back. We are going to do some assembly and trim of our oil burners. So we got our bases and we got our lids. So we're going to do a little bit of trimming and a bit of assembly. So we'll get it. Got our slip and we've got a brush. And we got some water, so we're all ready to go. We need a little bit of clay. Just to hold our... We're not going to take much trimming these, like, so we'll just do some the old clear sausages. Close enough. It's not going to take much trimming this. What we're going to use, let us use, we'll do a Leach trim tool tonight, I think. And what else do I need? Maybe a little top, little bottle top. So we're just going to take that edge off. Like so. Just got it. It's just a very thin base, so just smoothing it off, really. Just like that. Right. So that's one done. Put him to one side. Right, I'm going to do the other two bases and then we'll come back and we'll do some trimming on the tops and then assembly. So see you in a sec. Right, we are now going to trim the tops. So it's just around this bit off here. I'm going to try and do it that way so the camera can see, which is a bit funny for me because it's like, although I'm left-handed, it's wrong-handed. Again, not a lot to do, it's just to make that shape. Nice and like a dome shape. I want to leave a little bit of sort of gauge on that because it's going to take the heat off the flame, so I don't want it really thin. I want it so it can withstand it. So that's our little bowl, and that we shall pick one. So that is going to be attached to the top like so. But we'll do that in a minute. Right, I'll trim these, and then we'll come back to when they're all trimmed and a bit of assembly. So I'll see you in a few. Okay, we are all trimmed. Now we're going to do a bit of assembly. So balance that on the top of there. We'll make some marks for our score lines. I'm gonna getting the camera would help, wouldn't it? Right. Do that. So I'm quite heavy on the inside because we can like get the angle so that it fits in a wee bit better. So we've got that. We got our slip. Plenty on, plenty slip on. Just do a bit on there as well. That. And we're going to place that on top of there. Give it a wiggle. Eye it up, make sure it is. Give it a press. Turn it over. Now what I am going to do get a bit of our clear we've been using. Put this over here. So this is quite fresh clear. What I'm going to do is I'm going to run a bead of this around that joint. just to help seal it. I'm going to press it in. Now we need some of our wooden modelling tools. A bit of water on that. Right, that's attached. Need a hole in there now. Which is next on the agenda. So we'll make a mark first, so we're going to go tea light in there. So I've just got to fettle these little edges, do the other two, put our stamps on, we're all done. So we'll come back when they're all assembled, so I'll see you in a second. Right, we're done. So we got our round one. So we got our opening little decoration, and that is just round in there. And then we got a bit artistic. So we went for a square top. and then an opening, and that one looks like a big smiley face with two little eyes. Looks good. And then we've gone for like more intricate design and a better opening. Not sure about the one there. Do we do any more? That's it. Get the camera up. There we are. So that's it for this bit. We shall do a result when they're bisqued. We'll do a bit when they're glazed, and then when they come out the kiln. So by the magic of editing, as we always say, we'll see you shortly. Right, so we're back at last to finish our oil burner video. They've eventually been fired, so we'll run through them. Oil burners. So we have our first result, which is a black, which is Cartwright's black, and it is just all black. And it has, it's quite hard to pick it up because it is black. It's got two little crawl marks just on the inside here. So they're a little bit sharp, so that'll be refired. Bit of glaze put in the bottom, refired on our next glaze firing. So we got that one. Let's do the singles first, and we have some. This is from Carve. I've had it for ages. This is Lungo Blue. So you got that one. And I could never get it to work on my other kiln. And now I'm trying to get rid of it. It's working, which is usually the case. So that's a nice blue oil burner there. And next we have, again, this is a board glaze. This is from Bath Potters. It's something like some American thingy red, rooster red or something like that. They're quite good. Again, could never get this right. Now I'm trying to get rid of it. It's working all right. They're nice oil burners there. Nice red. So we got the reds, and the last ones. We've got our Enchanted Forest. Now I've tried to make them look like trees because it's so they've got all the sparkly bits in. Good finish. They say this is a Mako Enchanted Forest glaze. It's a bit temperamental, as all specialty glazes can be, but we did okay on this firing. So we'll put the different ones on our whirler, like so. Get the camera down, like we'll have a zoom in, like so. Get that in the shot. So that's our oil burners. Again, if you're interested in purchasing, get in touch. And they will eventually go, if nobody buys them, they will eventually go on my new Monday shop to start with. If nobody buys them, they'll be going on my Etsy shop. And if nobody buys them, they'll be going in a box. So that's the oil burner project finished at last. They were very successful. So I'll zoom out. Don't want to zoom in on me. No. Wrong way. Wrong way. Yeah, very successful. So we'll be making some more of them. And be making some more of them with our sister studio, Spire Pottery. So check out Mitford Pottery, which is me, and now Spire Pottery as well, which is where we do courses. And come along, if you're in the UK, in our area, come along, do a course with us. Very enjoyable. Make some nice things with clay. Right, that's it. Bye for now, and remember, clear
is the way. See you later.